Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. What a smoky day across the entire region. Those levels are still quite, well, just downright nasty and unhealthy for many of us now, as we can barely see into downtown from our studios here in South Fargo. Thanks to our friends at KVLY.com for providing that view. Again, another look at the current levels. They range from lower values near the Red Lake Nation at 73 all the way up to nearly 300 in the southern suburbs of the Twin Cities, and that's closing in on hazardous levels there. So again, avoid exposure if you can do so, and if you have or notice any struggles at all, you may want to consider wearing a mask out there, and again, just keep that time limited. Here's the forecast for the smoke overnight. It looks like it's going to keep focusing on that I-94 corridor from Fargo and Jamestown right down through the Twin Cities, with a little cleanup going on in northern parts of Minnesota. As we go through the morning hours, it does look like it settles up with the heaviest amounts of smoke, thickest smoke out there to the west of the Red River Valley, but it oscillates back into our neck of the woods and will be in our area for most of the day. Some of you will notice some improvement in our central Minnesota counties, maybe our northern Minnesota counties, but it just kind of lingers and gradually decreases as we go into your early Friday morning. Friday, we'll have some sweeping changes that come at us from the west. So all day tomorrow, first alert weather day, has been called by our team to keep you advised of the situation. We encourage you to keep your Valley News Live weather app handy. We'll get you the numbers and we'll show you the cleaner air when it does indeed work its way in. Here's the thick smoke in gray. Couple of thunder showers showing up on there. That little break in the smoke was showing up as well. This is what's going to bring some sweeping change. As this front makes its way into our neck of the woods, the winds pick up from the south as opposed from the north and northeast, as well as some westerly winds that'll replace that, sweeping that smoke out of here for the weekend ahead. Right now, look at these mid-50s up in northern Minnesota. We have some low 70s here in the Southern Valley at this hour. It's 6 miles of visibility in Grand Forks and as low as 3 miles in Aberdeen, limited by the smoke. Right now out at Hector, the temperature 73, the wind only 7 miles per hour, so certainly not sweeping. In fact, it's just bringing in more smoke. Overnight temperatures, we're talking upper 40s, low 50s in northern Minnesota to mid 60s here in the Southern Valley, and it will remain smoky all night. Smoke will be a part of our day as we go through the day. The best chance at seeing a little relief will be in our far eastern counties. As we see temperatures climb once again, will be warmest in the southern counties. A cool day again in northern Minnesota with temperatures reaching only the 70s. Now late tomorrow, we're talking well after dinner, we'll have a chance in some of our western counties in the Devil's Lake Basin at seeing some spotty sprinkles. The fresh air back behind the showers will be on its way as we close Friday and head into your weekend. Tomorrow morning, Fargo 64 up to 84 by 2, and we'll be in those mid to upper 80s for the remainder of the evening. And we will battle smoke. Hopefully that trend towards decreasing quantities late in the day will continue. Your proceed farming forecast looks like this. Cooler weather for Friday and Saturday. Friday will bring the best chance at a few showers of rain. Not all of us will see it, but we'll keep you posted on that. And then heading into Sunday for Father's Day, well, you better give him a day off. A big tall glass of lemonade. Kick the feet up and enjoy the day. 91 degrees outside. We stay hot from June 10th on Monday all the way through the upcoming weekend with temperatures kissing 90 degrees.
More hot weather.